Hey guys, so I got home about an hour and a half ago, maybe less, and I just changed into some like super comfy clothes. I got these shorts at like Target and this shirt in Texas. But yeah, so I am going to just bring you guys along to my like everyday sort of after work routine. So I already fed Evan. I usually feed him around like 5:30, 6 o'clock, between that time. So he's already fed, and I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into just kind of picking up and getting ready for the weekend, because usually the weekend is when I clean, unfortunately. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and bring you guys along and start my afternoon, end of day routine, I guess. All right, so first off, I wanted to show you guys, we got a new camera for the new baby. It is the Infant Optics DXR8. It's this one right here. I already took it out of the box. But it's a new like monitor. We use the summer, I think it's the summer infant one for Evan. So we have that one in his room. But I opted in to just get like a different one for Eli. And this one my cousin uses it and she loves it. So I wanted to try it out. It looks cute. It's like this little, it's right here. And then the monitor is not big at all either. Excuse the mess on my bed. So this is the monitor, and I'm actually gonna go ahead and just hook it up already. So we'll see how that goes. Alright guys, so I just realized that I can't put the monitor up here. This is where I originally wanted to put it, but I can't because the plug is there. And if I put the plug there, then the door won't be able to open all the way, because it is a like barn house door thing for the bathroom. So gotta figure something out. We will figure something out. My phone is going haywire. But we'll figure it out. Hi. Hey, Bubba. Hi. Alright guys, so I will just leave that alone for now and continue with the rest of the house. That's our dining table, and it's a mess, as is all the house. So I think I'm just gonna start in the kitchen. Let's do that.